Good morning.
Guys!
Good morning, guys. Ay, nagmamadali ako. Nagmamadali ako kasi tumawag na si Jan.
And it's the 29th. And we're gonna go to the boat.
We're gonna go to the boat
To see Dad.
to see Dad kasi.
And see Tommy.
And Tommy, what they gonna do today, Kuya?
They're gonna
Wait.
put the pots on the boat.
Yes, so ngayong araw ilalagay ni Jan yung yung ilo-load yung mga pots sa boat. So sabi niya, kung gusto ko raw pumunta isama yung mga bata, magmadali na daw ako kasi ready na sila. Binigla na naman. Tinanong ko siya kagabi, sabi niya baka ngayon or Monday. So akala ko sa Monday pa kasi sabi niya may gagawin pa sila sa boat. So yun, kaya ayan, nagmamadali kami. Baba! Baba! Did you say hi?
Yes.
Did you?
Hi.
Sige, mamaya na lang.
Guys.
Mag-drive muna tayo. Dito na kami. Dito na kami sa bay and meron ditong naglo-load na ng pot sa kanyang boat. Ayan. And yung boat niya nandoon. So, hinihintay niya pa matapos ata to. So, tingnan natin. Baba na tayo. Let's go, boys and girl. Okay, go to daddy. Come on. Hi. Oy, Sak! Sinarang kababa ni Kuya. Okay, wait. Malamig, guys. Mag-jacket muna tayo. Come on, Baba. Ang daming tao. Tingnan mo, sandali nga. Ang daming tao ngayon. Come on, my love. Watch for the car. Watch for the car. Watch for the car, hon.
There we go, mate. There we go.
Andun na tao doon. A priest, huh? Oh, may pari doon. Holly, dito ka. Holly, dito ka, Holly. Nag-ano sila, guys. Yung parang blessing. So, every year, binibless talaga nila yung na maging safe yung mga fisherman, na makahuli sila ng maayos. So, yan ang ginagawa. Para din sa atin, di ba? May ganyan yung binibless na maging safe. Masok muna ako sa car kasi malamig. And yung nakita nyo maraming tao doon, nandun pa rin. Pamisa yan kasi ginagawa pala talaga yan every. Ngayon ko lang nakita din sila kasi minsan hindi naman pupunta dito pa naglo-load ng pots siya. So every year pag kasi next week na yung start ng fishing, may pamisa dyan kung saan sila. Tapos na yung misa. So every year ginagawa yun dito na mayroong blessing para good luck sa mga fisherman. And yeah. And ayun, tingnan natin kung, kasi mayroon silang hinulog na pot, tapos nagtapon sila ng mga bulaklak. Ayan ayan yung mga flowers dun pa, dun. Tapos nagtapon sila ng pots, pero kinuha din nila mga ilang minutes, tapos yun, umalis na sila. So, ito yung boat. Hinihintay lang namin yung crew ni Jan kasi yun ang kumuha ng ayan na, nandito na sila. Hindi pa. Oh my God! May nahulog, Is that yours, son?
Oh, a fish just jumped.
Is that your pot, son? No. Sa isa, meron na. And dito lang pala.
Don't touch nothing, right?
Holly, you don't touch nothing there. You don't touch nothing. TJ, can you watch your sister, please? Not to touch anything. Is that yours, son? This one? Oh, that's Mayo. Ayan yung pots yung kagabi na pinuntahan namin. Kung saan kami nag-dinner. Sa kanya yun na pots. Oh, don't touch anything, kids. Hi, Bryce. Good. What's that, Han?
This is life raft.
Life raft.
Yeah, in case the boat sinks, you jump in this.
Life raft daw to, guys. Emergency.
Good.
And
Don't touch anything, ha? Ayan na yung pots. Is that ours, kuya? No. Is that ours? That one. Yeah, that's ours. Okay. Ayan na yung pots. Marami na naglo-load. Ayan yung, yun nga, yung kaibigan ni Jana. Pinunta namin ng dinner. Yan yung boat niya. Gamit ko yung isa kong camera. Nalobat na kasi yung isa. Buti na lang dala ko tong isa. Kasi alam ko hindi ko na-charge kagabi yung ano, yung sa G7X. Kasi di ba umalis din kami. Ayan, niloload na nila. Holly, stay there, ha? Ganyan ang itsura ng boat pag wala pang pads. Mamaya, tingnan nyo, matatabunan yan. Bye-bye, stay there, Baba. And dito, ang maganda dito kasi maraming nagtutulong-tulong pag naglo-load ng pads. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-pass. Sila na mismo yung pukusan na tutulong sila mag-load. At saka mag-unload din pag patapos na yung fishing. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, sa kaibigan ni Jan yung boat, yung kung saan kami nagdinig kagabi, hindi pala. Pero nandun kasi siya, so akala ko sa kanya, andun siya sa taas, o tumutulong. Hindi pala yan yung boat niya. Pero nandun yung mga pads niya, o. Andun, o. Naka-line up na rin. Kasi siguro siya na ang next after nito. Or after ni Jan. Kuya, you watch your sister, kuya. Where's baby sleeping?
Yeah, I think she's surface, yeah.
Ayan, tapos na sila doon sa ano, doon sa kabilang boat. So, dito naman sila tutulong mag-load. Tulong-tulong lang dito, guys. Mamaya si Jan tutulong din yan sa pag-load kay Mayo. Auntie ang totoo niyang pangalan, pero ang kanyang nickname is Mayo. Yung mga parang doon lang sila. Ayan, tapos na yung isang trailer. Ay, akala ko tapos na. Meron pa pala. Babalik pa si Tommy sa shed kung saan nakastock yung mga pot.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ay, happy birthday, Tommy! Ayan, punta yan sa shed ni Dad para kumuha ulit ng mga... Ito yung life raft. Is it right? Life raft?
Yeah.
Kuya, Sak! Alis dyan, Sak! Don't worry. When you get bigger, you're gonna do that.
Yeah, that's it.
Just like Jem. Ilalagay nila yan doon sa gitna.
Yeah.
Ah, doon pala. Sabi ko din sa video. Pero nasa gitna din naman. So, ito yung first load. Bumalik si Tommy doon sa shed ni Dad kung saan nakastock yung mga pots. And yan, mamaya ulit. Hindi pa yan tapos, guys. Kuya, say hi. Are you helping? No, you're not. You're not helping. You're just watching. Hurt, babe? Umalis na yung isang boat kanina. Nung andun na siya. And si May yun na, or si Andy na yung papunta naman dito para mag-load ng kanyang pot. Ayan, may parating ng isang boat. Yan yung kaibigan ni Jan. Si Mayo. Come on, Baba, look! Oh, careful, Baba. Ayan na, Holly. That one. That's Mayo. Yeah, that's reverse, Kuya. Wala pa rin yung ano ni Jan. Wala pa si Tommy. Yeah, to get more pots. So that one is easy, huh? That one looks easy to park than the other one. Kasi kasi kanina yung isa yung bago siya. Ano, tawag nun? Parang madya-jam yung kamay ng lalaki kasi nga nilalagay niya yung malaking balloon, yung red. Basta, ewan kung ano nangyari. Basta medyo nakakatakot yung tingnan kanina nung pag-park. Eto, tingnan mo. Napaka-smooth.
Like this fish like by lollies.
Ha?
Fish like by lollies.
By lollies?
Yeah.
Why? Why that fish will buy lollies? For you? The fish will buy lolis for you?
Not really.
Not yet. Si Sak gusto na umalis kasi gusto niya punta kami mamaya sa ano sa Bay Shop para kumuha ng lunch.
Can I just get a bit tighter?
Yes. Yeah.
And at the
Yeah.
at the other shop.
Okay.
Can I get some strawberry?
Yep. Ayan na siya. Ito yung pangalawang.
Dinner.
Maingay daw yung car niya.
What's that, John?
You wait, Baba. So, ayan. Mag-start na ulit. Birthday ni Tommy ngayon. Yung crew ni Jan. So, eto na yung last. Ay, move na kayo, kids.
I want to be in the hot sun. I'm sitting up here.
Yeah. They're gonna put pots there. Sit over there, Nak. Oh. Where's... Yeah.
That one there. Tomorrow morning.
Are you hot?
Dito na si Dad. Ayan ako, guys. Kita nyo. Hi, Dad. Say hi, Pa. Baba, look who's here. Hi, Pa.
Hello, I will say.
Okay.
Yeah, they might be the live ones died.
No, you got heaps to do.
You will help Daddy soon, Sak, when you get bigger. Bye-bye, stay there. Oh, what you gonna say to Pa? I'll give it to me. It's mine. I don't give it to him. I'm done.
Have you got pockets?
Yeah, I got pockets. What you gonna say to Pa? Regalo ni Pa sa kanya. Yeah. No. Oh, she has a pocket, Pa.
Finish your store.
Ah, look. Who's that for, Dad? Oh, for Holly? Oh, lucky Holly. Ayan yung regalo ni Pakash. Wow, you got pocket, Baba? Look at Zachary.
I'm not even talking about you.
That's right. You can buy your own lunch. Yeah, it smells. Maybe that one, the starfish. The starfish, mabaho. Wow, you gonna buy your own lunch?
Put it in the bank.
Put in your bank, Baba.
Back my coat.
Sabi ni Del, si Sakto, hindi na siya kakausapin. No, it's not for your... Oh, that one. Oh. Yeah. Is everything clear? Kasi nga nagkasakit sila, Dad. Ngayon niya lang binigay yung regalo sa mga bata. Gabo's lunch. Where you get that from? Maybe from the plane? Maybe from the plane, Dad.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
Yan, malapit na sila matapos. Kunti na lang.
Where's that one with the thing up there?
That one. The Victorian pub. The Victorian one. Yeah. Don't lose your money, Baba. Don't lose your money. Okay, Dad. Come here. Where's your money?
Here.
Ah, who gave that to you? Pa, did you say thank you? Huh? Cuddle pa. Cuddle pa. Hug pa. Kasi may sakit pa si pa. Ayaw niya muna maano si Holly, yung mga bata.
They're coming down next week.
Hunter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A long weekend.
And malapit.
Been over there for 5 days.
Yeah, and Ryder was cooked too. Ah. No, put it in, Papa.
You get two there, you'll lose one.
Yeah, put it there, Papa. I don't know, it's not mine.
Where do you put the square one?
Ayan, last one. Tapos na. I'm not sure, Dad. Ayan, last. So, tapos na sila mag-load. Thank you, Jam. So, tulungan niya naman yung papa niya. Nandun yung papa niya naghihintay. Ayan, si Jam tutulong dito. Thank you! Yeah, that's Jemo. Yeah, that's Jemo. Yeah, he's very tall now. Yeah, wait, Baba. Andun naman sila, oh. Lipat naman dun. Hindi naman sila tutulong. Ayan, tapos na guys. Na-load na lahat. So, diyan pumapasok yung mga lobster. Sa pots. Baba, we're done. That is done.
Oh, big one.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Now.
Porque may pera ka na, gusto mo nang umalis?
Now.
Na yes. May nakita akong dolphin. Yes, nawala. Nasaan na kaya? Nasaan na kaya, Baba? Oh, wala na. Ang laki, nasaan na kaya siya? Wala na. Kuya, careful ha. Dito yung dalawa. It's gone. There, over there. See?
It's a shark.
No, it's not a shark. Ayun, malayo na siya, guys. Hindi nyo makita.
Oh, there.
Ayan, andun siya, See that? Yeah, nandito siya kanina, Say, see you pa. See you pa. Yeah. Alis na kami muna. Holly! Ayan, alis na kami kasi yung mga bata nagugutom na. Hi, see ya! Okay. Oh, Kobe and Sophie are here. Hi, Sof! Hi, everyone. Hi, Cubs. Whose dog is this?
Mine.
Ah. Come on, boys, get in the car.
Stop.
Who dropped you here? Your mom?
I've been just walking around.
Okay. Come on, Holly, let's go. Bye, Sof. See ya. They're hungry. Come on. Gutom na kasi sila eh. Come. Nauna na sa amin si Sakando na siya sa baba.
Yes, mine.
Come on, Baba.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Okay, go. Careful, Holly. Bili kami ng lunch. Okay, come on.
Say yes.
What you gonna have, Kuya?
Potato cake.
Okay, go look over.
Potato cake at the like near our house. I want a sausage roll.
Okay. Okay, Holly, no, you don't need that. Come on, Holly. No.
And can we get rollies?
Come on.
I got
Money? Okay. Come on. Sak. You gonna pay Sak's lunch, Kuya? No. Come on. Grab your lunch. Come on.
how much is a potato cake?
Oh, not much. Come on. Come on, hurry up. That's not lunch, Kuya. Come on. Lunch is here. Come on. Sorry. Ito yung lunch. Sausage roll. There's a sausage roll here, Sak.
Okay, sausage roll. Sausage roll sauce
Huh?
and a potato cake.
Potato cake. I don't think so they have potato cake. Yeah, they have one only left. Hi. Can I have 2 potato cake? One separate, but because one of each?
Yeah.
And then what else you want? What do you want for lunch?
Sausage roll.
Do you have sausage roll? Yeah, how about you, Sak? Yes, another one. Oh yeah, one each batch, please. Holly, what do you want, Holly? Chicken. Yes.
And I think it's not home.
Okay. Okay. You gonna pay, Kuya? Who's gonna pay? Me? Kuya, put your lollies. And this is for Holly. Iniram ko muna yung pera ni Holly. Okay. $17 lahat. So, ayan si Sak nangunguna na. Ayan, what's that, Zachary?
Potato cake.
Potato cake. Tig-isa sila ni Kuya. Ayan kay Kuya. And sausage roll kay Kuya. Ayan yung sausage roll. And si Sak din. Where's your Sak?
Mom, this is sour.
Ito kay Zachary. And ito kay Holly. Gusto niya chicken. Ayan. Okay. Put the seatbelt, Kuya.
This one.
So, i-close na namin yung vlog.
God, this is the
What?
today's vlog. Today's vlog. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
Vlog.
vlog. Bye. Bye, guys.